The following is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto, 16th chapter, text number 1, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on December 29th, 1973, in Los Angeles.
Translation. Suta Goswami said, O learned Brahmanas, Maharaj Parikshit then began to rule over the world as a great devotee of the Lord under the instructions of the best of the twice-born Brahmanas. He ruled by those qualities which were foretold by expert astrologers at the time of his birth.
So, there are many important words in this verse. The first is Dijavadja Shikshaya, trained by the best of the Brahmins. Dija means twice born. First birth by the father and mother, and second birth by the spiritual master. That is Vedic civilization, Dijavan. One must take twice birth. Once birth, father and mother, that is done by the cats and dogs. Any birth, either you take a birth as a cat or dog or human being or anything, there requires father and mother. So that birth is not sufficient. Therefore, a Vaishnava Kavi says, Janame janame sab pita mata paay, Krishna Guru nahi mile bhajo hiya. In any birth, you'll get father and mother. It is natural. Without father and mother, how can you get a body? So therefore it is said, Janame janame, in any birth, either human being or cat, dog, snake or tree or insect, will get father. But in every birth you cannot get Krishna and Guru. That is not possible. So this birth you can get. This human form of birth you can get. That is the special significance. Father, mother, you can get any birth. It doesn't matter. But you cannot get Krishna and Guru. That you can get in this birth. Therefore twice birth. You must get another birth. Through the initiation of the spiritual mountain. Diksha. Diksha means initiation. Di means dibba, jnana. And kha means kapayati. From the day of initiation, you simply get spiritual knowledge, transcendental knowledge. That is the special significance of human form of birth. Therefore, in the Vedic civilization, the classification is made. First class, second class, third class, fourth class. Men. There are three gunas. The material world is conducted by three gunas, means the quality of goodness, the quality of passion, the quality of ignorance, and mixed. So first, second, third, and the mixed equal to fourth. That is called varnasram, chaturvarnam, guna karma vibhagas, according to quality and karma. So, the first, second and third class division, they are all dijas, twice more. Brahman, Kshatri and Vaishya. Dija means sanskar, reformation, to mold the character. That is called sanskar. Just like you can train even a tiger. even an animal, to dance according to your desire. That is practical. So you cannot train a human being to become a Brahmana with such intelligence, but there is no such training. That's simply training all cats and dogs. But the Vedic civilization takes this opportunity of human being to make him perfect in his life. What is that perfection? That perfection is to understand God and become His devotee. That is perfect. Not that to become very stout and strong as the tiger or as cunning as the jackal. Not that. That is not training. So, according to division, the training was there. The first class training is Brahmana. Brahmana means they must be truthful first. Sattva, Sama, Dhamma, Titikha. They must be able to control the senses, control the mind. Sattva, Sama, Dhamma, Titikha. Must be tolerant. Titikha, Arjava. Very simple. Jnanam, full knowledge. Vijnanam, practical application in life. Sattva, Sama, Dhamma, Titikha. Suchi, cleanliness. Brahma karma samavajam. They should be trained. A class of men should be trained for these qualities. They are called Brahmana. Similarly, another class, second class, they should be trained up as Kshatriya, very powerful, never goes away from the challenge of fighting, juddhi chappalaya. Not that the fighting is going on and the so-called president is sitting in his parlor and smoking cigarette. No. Juddhi chappalayanam. Oh, everyone is fighting there, I must go in the front. We'll fight. Otherwise how people will encourage? The chief man is in the background and poor man is there fighting. No. Juddhi chappalayanam. That is Kshatriya. So similarly Vaishya, they should be trained in three things, product. Krishi go raksha vanijam Vaishya karma sabhavajam. Krishi, agriculture. Go raksha, cow protection. Go raksha. That is essential. Agriculture and cow protection. And vanijam. Vanijam means trade. If there is excess milk product, if there is excess grain product, then you can sell to others. Nowadays, the trade is that you take as much milk as you can and then kill the animal and sell the flesh to other countries. That is going on. No, go raksha. Go raksha, cow protection is very, very essential in human society because it gives the milk. The miracle food, you can prepare hundreds and thousands of preparations, all not only delicious but brain maintaining. You can get good brain. Therefore, Goraksha, cow protection is especially recommended. Not that animal protection. If you want to eat meat, you can eat many other animals there, but don't eat the cow. This is Vedic civilization. Krishi Goraksha Vanijam Vaishya Karma Sabhavajam Parichajyatmakam Kajam Sudra Karma Sabhavajam.